It's all about color, presentation, and of course taste when you're entertaining for the holidays. And today's recipe contains the perfect combo of salty and sweet. Howard shares his festive sugar and spice nuts and a few other packing tips in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Over the next couple of weeks, we'll be making homemade goodies to ship to loved ones all over the country. Let me share a few of my favorite tips and tricks to help make sure that everything arrives safe and sound. Before you get started, you want to consider what type of goodies ship best. One option is cookies. You want to go with ones that are, let's say, more durable. You know, like sugar cookies, gingerbread, and so on. Bar cookies and brownies also ship well. Just avoid something like a cheesecake bar that needs refrigeration. And no matter what you're shipping, whether that be cookies or whatever, always make sure it's cool before packing it. For cookies, wrap them in small bundles or place them in a plastic container. Tuck some crinkled up plastic wrap around them so they don't rattle and break. Oh, I almost forgot to mention that decorative tins or boxes of nuts and snack mixes are also great to ship. So no matter what edibles you're shipping, make sure you pack these in smaller containers in a sturdy box nestled in some packing peanuts. And don't forget to put a note inside so they know who they're from. To get you started, we have 2 recipes that I'll be shipping this year, along with my regular go-to cookies. It's our amazing sugar and spice nuts and our addictive red cinnamon popcorn. Both are on our website right now, so what are you waiting for? I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a pack, ship, and yummy way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."
We can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.